Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Rhassoul Clay face mask. We're going to start with water phase. In this phase I am using only three ingredients: aloe vera juice, distilled water and glycerin as a humectant. Set aside the water phase and let's move on to the oil phase. In this phase, I'm going to combine my oils, my butters, and also any other ingredient that is oil soluble. Now that I have prepared my two phases, I'm going to put them to heat to melt them. Pour your water phase into the oil phase and never the other way around, as I always say. Then mix it very well using your immersion blender. When mixing your emulsion, you make sure to blend it very well to ensure that the water and the oils are completely combined. You should end up with a creamy, whitey mixture, just like I'm showing you in the video. After the mixture has cooled down, we are going to add the cool down phase ingredients. The main ingredient in this phase, as you probably guessed, is the Rhassoul Clay. However, to make this face mask more hydrating, because as you know, clay is to tend to dry out the skin, I am incorporating Panthenol or vitamin B5, which is an excellent moisturizer. Now that we've finished preparing the face mask, let's check the pH. pH is crucial and should never be skipped when making your own skincare products. It affects the effectiveness of your final product and it's also essential for the efficiency of preservatives. All preservatives have a specific pH range that must be respected. The pH of my product was way too high, so I used a few drops of lactic acid to lower the pH. Now it's better. The pH should always be between 4.5 and 5.5, but 5.6 is better, is good for me, so it's good. Thank you so much for watching. Your support means the world to me. If you found this video helpful and informative, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this content and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps me create more valuable content and reach even more people who can benefit from these skincare recipes. To use this face mask, apply a thin layer onto your clean skin. Avoid any contact with the eye area. Let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. So until the next video, goodbye.